Hey beautiful people, welcome back. Today's video is actually a little bit different. I am excited to show you a product that I've been using for a little while. It's called a Jackery power station or Jackery generator. But I got the Jackery 500. There is other different ones with higher wattage. But check out the video and watch until the end.
Alright, so I just picked up this Jackery generator, the Jackery 500.
Let's see what they have inside. Look at that. You got a little kit, or a little bag. But you gotta make stronger zip. But anyway, got a little bag. Got the manual in here, user manual. Make sure you go through it. If you need any information on that. This is the charger. This is the one for the car, the cigarette lighter stuff, the DC charger. So you can plug that in to charge the Jackery. This one is if you're gonna use it to charge it from the current, directly from AC current, from your home or any current from the wall. Bam, plug this in the wall, and this into the input to charge the Jackery. Pretty straightforward. I like the it. It's simple. It has some weight to it. As you can see, it's the Explorer 500 watt. Basically all the info on it. But look at what we got. That's the input. Right here, you plug it in to get charged. This is for a DC charger if you want to charge anything that has a DC plug. USB, we got 1, 2, 3. And you got an AC plug, laptop or anything that can plug in here. Let's power it up. Alright. As you can see, it's new. Look at that. We're about to go plug this in. Love a video. So when you plug it in, it's on. You gotta press the AC button so you can start charging. Bam! Look at that. See, it's plugged in. Nice charging. It has a fan in there. You can hear the fan going. Right now it's pulling to charge this laptop. It's pulling 180, 197 watt. I'll put it to the test. I'll keep you guys updated on this and see how it goes. I'll run it all day and put it in different scenarios and see how long it lasts. Actually up to 190 something just now with watts. This depends on what the computer is pulling. I'm going to charge my GoPro. And obviously every time you plug anything in, you gotta press it so then it starts charging it. Bam. This thing is actually amazing. I just love how it works. Tells you everything, tells you what's pulling and everything. How much percent it's going down and all that. The looks for it and the feel for it is durable. Like, you know they made this thing strong. The feel on the cable and so on is really really strong. The feel on this cable, you can tell it's strong. It's not a cheaply made, so that's a good thing about it. You know when you get your Jackery stuff, it's gonna be durable and it's gonna last. But I'll put it to the test. And any information you can always check the manual, the user manual, just to see what's going on, see what you need. So they got, for a drone, you got about 10 charge. For motion camera, which is like a GoPro 95 recharge, and different laptop, phones, all that. Even a car fridge, look at that. You got about 39 hours on this one. Great for outdoor. I can tell you, if you're a camper van guy, or you're in the RV setting, and you just want something on the go when you're working, doing your stuff, you can always just pop this out, and this is like your portable current, and you always got current on the go. You don't have to worry about losing your battery powers and all that. Now charging the MacBook, plugged in, 146 watt. Make sure you always, when you plug in, you hit the button at the top, these buttons, so in that way it's on. It's not a plug in and just it's gonna come on.